punks.
Oh, these will go right here.
Uh-oh, Frankie's playing with fire now. I don't think I don't think the tree's gonna catch on fire.
Yeah, I don't think it is either.
It's just a waste of
You
their
have to try
time.
really hard.
They're trying to. There's Amber's there, right there between Art and Frankie.
Watch out, dude.
Look out!
Oh, they're gonna light it.
Oh my
God!
God!
You're seeing the cord.
Not good.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. That's a bad idea.
What the fuck?
You're gonna pull the freaking fire department.
Oh, shit. We're gonna get the fucking...
Fire extinguisher.
We're gonna get the fire extinguisher, dude.
Oh my God. You're gonna pull the fire department. They really are.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
We're gonna get blew the fuck up.
And with what? That flower?
They got smaller now. Yeah, that shit fucking weird.
I want to get a ticket, none of you guys.
See, it's just gonna burn out now.
That was too cool. That was cool, huh?
Dangerous.
Dangerously cool. Oh, we're gonna throw shit in there. That's why it had that big old flake to it.
Yeah, it feels warm right here. Hell yeah.
It was warm right there. The only thing I was afraid of all those ambers flying. Big ass ambers flying. Yeah.
Now at least they don't gotta dump it. That's the thing.
Huh?
Now at least they don't gotta dump it.
Yeah, what are we gonna do with that big ass trunk and shit?
That was crazy.
You guys are crazy.
That motherfucker blew the fuck up.
Both of you guys are.
It went all the way up on the wall.
Yeah, I was
Who did
looking
you
at
get
that
from
fucking
boys?
thing. I was worried about it catching the tree over here.
You better check the cable, Mom.
Why, honey?
Cause that was, isn't that the cable wire right there?
Oh, I had another one. Ha! Well, that one hurt my eye.
Oh, that was crazy.
Dog barking. I think this is the person. I don't know which one. This one, that one is the cop collar.
Oh, if that's the cop caller, I heard them right now.
This one right here?
Yeah,
What did you hear?
somebody opened their door.
Oh, you're not calling.
I don't think that's illegal.
No.
It shouldn't be illegal.
Fireworks are legal now, so it means we're in the trees.
What was that one? Straggler?
Damn, that was high, huh? That fire was way up.
High, but I could feel the heat from back from here.
That's torching up, huh? That little firework right there was.
It was the fire, the blooming
In the
flower,
right
huh?
Spot of the tree, right spot of the tree.
That was crazy.